Hey, welcome back, and today I'm going to be talking about what the computer part of the brain is in the Chimp Paradox mind model, to hope you can get a better understanding and it makes sense to the other two videos which I've made. What is the computer? The computer part of our brain can think automatically on programmed behaviours and thoughts. It is also a reference source for beliefs and values. What does it do? It basically runs our life on the installed programs and experiences, values and truths within it. It's very powerful and it can control the other parts of the mind. How does it work? It serves as a reference center for the other parts of the brain, which I featured in my other videos, the chimp and the human. If you click up there, you can go through and see what the chimp is. It provides a reference center for those to look into and understand how to react on information that's coming from our senses. It's also looking there into the computer for our beliefs, what we believe in life, what we believe is true, and our values, what we stand for. How do we manage it? It's very important that we do manage this part of the brain correctly because it is so powerful that it runs much faster than the chimp and the human. And for that very reason, it's very important to have the correct beliefs, values, truths and information from whatever we've experienced in life in there, because that part of the brain is basically forming our lives. It is definitely possible to change what's in there, and that is really what the Chimp Paradox is about. It's changing that part of the brain so that you are acting on your truths and your values in life, and you then start to lead the life that you really should lead, not one that's controlled by a primitive part of your brain that is acting on past emotional situations that you've encountered in your life. What's in the computer? Inside the computer there are various functions which Steve has named in an effort to get normal people like myself to be able to understand what's happening in there. And he names them as autopilots, which are helpful beliefs, goblins, which are very unhelpful beliefs and very difficult to get out of your brain, gremlins, which are unhelpful beliefs but are possible to get out of your brain, and the very all-encompassing stone of life, where it contains your truths and your values and your life force. I hope this video has helped you understand a bit more about that next section of the brain, and as I said, these are just small sound bites that I'm taking people through so they can refer back to. If you want to see my original video on the machine in your head, then click up there and take a look at that, and then work through the videos in sections and you'll see how it works.